Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be unboxing the stuff that I ordered from Amazon. I'm so excited to see all the things that I got. Minus the fact that I ordered some jewels and they are falling out the box. Like, they're all over the carpet, which is super annoying. Like, you would think they would box up the jewels properly. So that's already a fail. So let's see what's inside. Right, so I ordered this on I think I ordered this on a Thursday and it came on a Monday, so it didn't take very long at all to get here. Okay, so I'm guessing this is my phone ring light. Or not. See, this is the jewel, seriously. No. Okay, this, they packaged pretty good. So this is one package. Oh my gosh, so excited. I also got my portable tripod. I will put the links below for everything that I got if you guys are interested. Okay, so this is super cute because it comes with a little remote. So Selfie's about to be on fleek. So what I had in mind when I bought this was I could use it as like a handheld, and then I could like set it up and then use my little remote to take a picture. So cute. I also ordered some makeup brushes. Not bad. Let's feel it. Yeah, I ordered brushes off of Amazon before and they weren't bad at all. And I always ordered the ones that have like pink or rose gold because they're so pretty. Okay, this is totally not for me. So my nephew will be so happy because it was his birthday and he really wanted a body pillow. So that's what that is. Okay, this is my Selfie ring light. So that's cute as well. Hopefully it works. So you can charge it and then you just clip it on your phone. Oh shoot! Hey! Oh my gosh! Hold on. Oh wait. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, this makes a difference. Okay, this is a good buy so far. No complaints. And what else? Okay, and this was the other thing. Holy, are you kidding me? Okay, so this was the stones that I ordered. 750 pieces, and I can guarantee you that it ain't no 750 pieces because there's so many holes, like, you know, like in the corner of the box. Like, it's just falling here everywhere. So I'm definitely going to leave a bad review. That sucks. Like, why would you not package this properly? I'll put the link below, but don't buy it, so you know what to avoid. Because now I'm going to have to, like, comb through my carpet to pick up all the pieces. Okay, and this is what I also ordered as well. Yes. Love it. So cute. Look at that. And then it also has like the little button to turn it on and off. It has like the stand. Everything's in here. I think this one as well. I think you just plug it to charge it in, and it also comes with that little mirror that you could like stick on. It zooms in 10 times, and then the stand also has like a little tray. That's cute as well. I'm sure I ordered 9 things all together. I don't even know what this is. Okay, so I ordered, I have so many jewels, guys. I can't tell you what it is for yet, but you will soon find out. So I have like my little applicator, and it came with more rhinestones as well. So these were packaged good. The only thing that wasn't packaged was that little, the little package that I showed you. That was a fail, but everything else, really, really good. No complaints. And then, okay, and then this is just like the protector for the case. I'm not even going to open it. It's just for the body pillow. But I'm excited. And I'm pretty sure I got everything that I ordered. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, the little tripod comes with the case. So you can like carry it around. Okay, so 4, 5. The jewels that are all in the 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, and then the 9th thing was just a sweater, but it wasn't even for me. It's a birthday gift as well. So that's everything I ordered, guys, and I'm really excited for it. And if you guys want to see a review on any of these things, just let me know. I could do a review for you, and I'll attach the link. So if you're interested in anything that I just shown you today, I will put the link below. Yeah, okay. So, thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video that I'm going to post.